So we start off today's video with this gorgeous bob. This one features the contrasting color trend. Black at the top, more of like an ash blonde at the bottom. Beautiful bangs in the front. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love when you have a hairstyle that features two hot trends in one. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today we're going to be checking out some tempting short hair ideas. So here we have someone rocking red hair. As you guys know, red is very popular this season. Love this shoulder length bob style with bangs in the front. And then we see someone getting some color done, as well as a haircut. Oh, beautiful bob. Fringe style bangs in the front. Gorgeous. And then we see someone with neck length hair. The stylist looks like he's turning this into a pixie. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I love this shape and texture that he created with this. She looks amazing rocking a pixie haircut. Absolutely breathtaking transformation. Here we have a lavender pixie transformation. This is a really unique hair color. Stylist is creating a spiky texture within the cut. Very cute. Such a fresh, modern way to rock a pixie. And then we have another big chop transformation. So you can see at the root there, her hair is naturally curly and the stylist is cutting off these straight pieces of the hair. So I think when the stylist gets done doing the cut, she's gonna have more of like a curly bob style. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Oh, wow. absolutely gorgeous. Her hair is so bouncy and full. And I really like her hair color too, very nice. And then we see someone with shoulder length blonde hair. Stylist is cutting the hair into a beautiful bob haircut. I love the coloring that this has. So much dimension, beautiful. And then we see this rose gold pixie with finger waves. I absolutely love this color. Such a unique shade of pink too. I love the fact that women are embracing color and that they're no longer afraid of it. So here we have someone, it looks like she has two-toned hair here. And she was able to also get an asymmetrical pixie, blonde on the top, black going in the back and the bottom. Alright, you guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed today's hairstyles, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.